Alright guys, so as you can see, we got a nice Crownline, fairly nice Crownline. This boat came in this morning. Got a bunch of repairs on the starboard side on the back corner. The customer backed it into a dock and poked a big hole in it. But as you can see, the hole is no more. Chesnie's been hard at work on this thing. We're gonna blend it all in, make it look like it never even happened. That's what we do here.
Good morning, guys. Hopefully everybody's doing well on this beautiful Friday morning. And this is another little project that came in. A customer got a little repair he wants done in the back. So I'm going to show you guys right now what I'm working on. Just going to navigate through here all this stuff. Little detail and stuff, but this is it right here, guys. Already pulled it in. Glass the back of it on the inside and solid. Now I'm gonna do a little filling, sanding, glass it, and it's gonna be solid and like it never happened. Cool. Alright guys, as you can see, I just got through filling that, all the cracks and stuff. Give it a nice sand, then I'm gonna glass it. Nice. There it is, guys. Just got through sanding all the filler. About to lay some glass on it right now, matte cloth, and 1 or 2 layers, and I think it'll be good. Then from there I gotta sand again, filler, and get ready to paint. Gelcoat. Cool.
Meanwhile,
Just like getting video proof to prove to Chesnie that I'm really not just late, there's always traffic. Late again, it's Friday, heading down to the yard. Gonna check in with Chesnie. I think we're gonna work on that one customer's boat a little bit, and then I don't know.
one eternity later.
What's going on?
Hold on.
Whose boat is this?
Customer.
New customer's boat?
Yes, doing a little repair on the right side over here, and yeah.
Was it just a little gel coat scuff or?
Nah, it's
Oh.
broke.
Oh, it is?
Like I could stick my fish through it, and you'll see when it comes.
I'll see it around, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I see what he was talking about.
See the damage?
Yeah, we were looking at it earlier.
That's a lot of damage.
Whoa.
Could have gone a little slower.
In the sunshine, raising those sails, wrenching on engines, hammers.
Alright, so it is lunchtime. Firing up my pan here. Got some pork carne asada, El Pastor, whatever the hell you want to call it. Basically, I call this lunch. We're going to grill this up in the pan because it's cut up for tacos, and we're going to have some tacos or maybe some quesadillas. I don't even know. We'll find out. Oh, perfect. All right, we're gonna let that grill up. Maybe we'll make some quesadillas. I feel like. Only got one, so we're doing a half guy on the tortilla, big soft tortillas. Only got one, so let this just kind of chill in here.
So is the meat done?
Meat's done. I already flipped it for that last time. Damn it!
And there goes the tortilla.
That's it.
So no quesadilla. Maybe.
Kick the fallen tortilla out of the way. Double layer Kevin taco deal here.
It looks pretty good.
Actually, let me grab it. Ow! Dude, the whole plate melted. Did you see that? Chesnie, don't buy these plates.
Dude, the entire plate melted.
Ow, dude, it burned into my fingers. Ow. Son of a gun. That was a split second, and it burnt my whole fingers and everything.
We'll go back and we'll replay it right now.
Ow. All like the styrofoam melted into my fingers.
Nice and quick. Booyah, baby! Look at that.
Yeah, basically, deliciousness at a low cost too.
Making Chesney one right now too. Don't
Yeah.
worry, we didn't leave him out.
No, we're gonna.
Alright guys, what I'm about to do here, I just got through with all my filler and stuff. I'm gonna sand the filler off nice and smooth, and if it comes out the way I'm expecting it to come out, I'm gonna do about like that size. I'm gonna spray my gel coat, let it sit. I'm gonna sit. If we have time till it dries, I'm gonna try sanding it or not. I'm gonna leave it and let it sit till Monday, cure all the way, and sand it and blend it in with this one that you can't even see that it wasn't able to break. So pretty much that's what I'm doing right now. Work on that. Cool. Done know.
Chesnie got the hands of gold. Mixed boats do not roll. Fiberglass and Gelcoat smooth. No one does it like you do. Waves crash in the bay, boats come his way. He works with skill and grace, fixes all sets the pace.
Blend right in with it so you don't see
Chesnie the
the
boat.
lines and stuff.
Oh, it's looking pretty good right now, I'll be
Yeah.
honest. Yeah, that's
How smooth it
smooth.
is.
That is smooth.
Try and get it back exactly like how it was, you know. The only problem, not problem, but the color is gonna be a little bit of time,
Really at one point was white,
maybe.
and now it's like cream colored. So like you gotta age the gel coat a little bit with some tint, huh?
Figure all that out. We're gonna figure it out together. Let's try and blend it.
Perfect. Doing a little color testing here.
That?
This boat has been so neglected that it's just an off white. So we kind of need to age the gel coat we're gonna put onto it.
I think I have the color right now. What do you guys think? Closest we're gonna get it.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
So
Looks
when
good.
When the wax, we put the wax in, hopefully it changed the color. I think it will help a little bit. It'll darken it up a little bit or lighten it up or something, but I think we got a color here. It's hard to do this color. It takes hours to do it, or if you could get it from the factory, even better.
Put that first base layer on.
What do you guys think?
Sweating in the sunshine, raising those sails, wrenching on engines, hammers hitting nails. Oh, the smell of the salt air and diesel fumes. All I can think about is the lake in my bruise.
Now you want to fill those little pinholes in, just take one screw or something and alright, that's it. Let it dry a little bit now, and we do the other one with the wax in it to dry it so I could sand it. I think we're pretty close to that, you know.
The next day.
Alright, so now Chesnie's just doing the final sanding on the gel coat.
Yep.
Yep.
Final sanding, and you're going to polish this.
Alright, so it looks like Chesnie's got it all polished up. As you can tell, this is not the right color. This is not what the customer paid for. Customer paid for just a quick patch, which is exactly what they got. I think it looks pretty dang good. The way this boat is kept up, odds are this will be dirty soon, and you really won't be able to tell the difference.